What the steps are, I'm going to say step 1, factor, step 2, x intercept, step 3. But just what we've been practicing these last few days. So today, I'm just going to do one with you and then give you guys a chance to practice some more and ask questions. First step, we have to factor. What would we have to do to factor the top? So 7x minus 18. That's x minus 9, x plus 2. Divide the 6. 2x minus 3. 3x plus 1. Bottom, we also have to slip and slide. So that's x minus 3. Minus 4, divide our 2 back, so we get 2x minus 3, x minus 2. What happens? Those cancel, so it reduces to 3x plus 1 over x minus 2. This is what we're going to use for our graph, but when something cancels, we know there is a hole in the graph. All right, x value, how do you get that? The thing that canceled, 2x minus 3 equal to 0, and we get 3 halves. How do we get our y? So plug that into what's left. And what does that give me? Get negative 11. Are you back there agreeing when you didn't even plug it in? Where are you? Is that what you guys got? So we know when we plot that, that's an open circle on our graph. I'm going to count by 2s. So 3 halves, that's like 1.5, negative 11. All right, x-intercept. That's when we hit the x-axis, which means y is 0. If you set a fraction equal to 0, it's just when the numerator equals 0. So we get negative 1/3. Y-intercept is where you hit the y-axis. If you're on the y-axis, that means x is 0. So if you put in 0 for all of your x's, you get 1 over negative 2, so negative 1/2. Vertical asymptote. What makes the bottom 0? So that's x equals 2. Horizontal or oblique, we divide the highest powers. If x ends up on top, what does that mean? So oblique. If x ends up on the bottom, what does that mean? It's 0. In this case, when we divide 3x divided by x, we get 3. So that is just a horizontal y equals 3. Counted by 2's on my y-axis and then continue that here. All right. Now we need to draw the graph, and we can tell this first part has to be below the horizontal asymptote because that's where my points are. It has to make sure you go through the hole there. So we just need to figure out if this part is above or below, so let's plug a 3 in. So we put in 3. And we get 10 over 1, which is 10. So that is above. So it should look like that. Any questions?